Welcome to Uncle Sharky Poke Bar. My name is Ben. I'm the founder and CEO of Uncle Sharky.
Hi, my name is Raymond. I'm the founder and CEO of Uncle Sharky. Uncle Sharky Poke Bar is a quick service restaurant. We specialize in Hawaiian poke bowls and boba teas.
We're very excited to expand our brand and offer franchising opportunities.
So please join us now as we franchise across the nation.
Business partners Fen and Raymond recently opened their first Uncle Sharky Poke Bar and already are experiencing great success and are ready to expand. Bringing her family background from the restaurant business in China and her personal experience in restaurant management, along with Raymond's Hawaiian heritage, this team has taken their personal love of poke to venture out with a simple business model to provide a healthy, casual, and fast poke experience. As most people are beginning to learn, poke restaurants are a rising trend in the food industry. At Uncle Sharky, we serve traditional Hawaiian poke with a California fresh mixture with a fusion of Asian-centric flavors that our customers love. We offer 6 pre-designed poke bowl options, like our ahi tuna and salmon bowl and the popular Uncle Sharky bowl. Our fresh raw fish bowls also include ingredients like masago eggs, seaweed, crab, cucumbers, corn, garlic, wasabi, and ginger, just to name a few. All of our ingredients are fresh and our bowls are prepared to order. Fen and Raymond also came up with their own marinated sauces that you won't find anywhere else. More sauces to choose from than any other poke bar. They perfected the flavors over time to get the taste just right. Fusions of flavors that our customers can't get enough of. We also offer several refreshing drinks and boba teas that complement our customers' meals. Mango green tea, Thai tea, and our black milk tea. Our menu and concept is specifically designed to keep the ordering process streamlined. Customers can quickly choose from one of our signature bowls and drinks and then be off to enjoy their meal and shopping within minutes. So having a clean, simple menu with photos that showcase our poke bowls works best. This is why our Uncle Sharky inline restaurant and kiosk models work so well. Poke bowls made simple. What our customers like most about Uncle Sharky is the freshness and flavoring, and our portion size and pricing. We've also learned that being an inline restaurant is the easiest way to introduce new customers to the poke bowl experience. With a constant flow of customers in this type of environment, you will get those loyal to poke and at the same time introduce poke to those who've been wanting to try it. They now have the opportunity to see our concept and our fresh bowls being made up close and personal. It gets them every time. At Uncle Sharky, we understand that building our brand is also an important step to expanding. So let's not forget the Uncle Sharky logo. It certainly is recognizable, modern, and sleek. Customers love to include it on social media. When becoming a franchise owner of Uncle Sharky, you will find immediately that the business model is simple to learn and easy to maintain. It doesn't require a traditional restaurant setup, so there is no need for a stove or a hood. You don't need to invest in a dining area, and you don't need a lot of space to operate, only about 400 square feet. All your food items will be fresh, and you have little daily waste. The training of your employees is very simple, and because of the ease of the ordering process, you don't need to maintain a full staff around the clock. All of which keeps your initial investment very reasonable and the opportunity greater for a quicker return on your investment. When becoming an Uncle Sharky franchise owner, your initial investment will include, in part, advice on space and location, as well as the design and layout, advice on your supplies and equipment, assistance with establishing relationships with local vendors, a full portfolio of our branded materials, and assistance with social media, 22 hours of classroom training, as well as 46 hours on site. And as an added bonus, our team will come to your location for 3 days to help you personally launch your own store. Fen and Raymond will be available each step of the way to make sure you are confident and successful during the process of establishing and growing your business.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned a little more about Uncle Sharky. We're very passionate about our business model. We're looking forward to hearing from you.